Hey everybody, my name is Cass. I'm with Sasquatch XC and we're here at Overland Expo West. I'm going to show you guys the Highland 60. We'll start with the kitchen area. So the kitchen itself is countertop height, right? So you don't have that high kitchen area. It comes with a 3-burner cooktop made by Furrion, as well as a deep bowl sink with on-demand hot water. The cabinet system is made from aluminum and it's got a 3-bay deep cupboard cabinet, as well as push-to-open drawers with dividers. You got a control panel right here, power for your fridge, water pump, kitchen lights, table lights. You got a 110 AC outlet here, as well as your water level gauge. The thing I like about this kitchen the most is its instant setup. So you just close the door to put it away, close the spare tire rack, and you're buttoned up to get it back open. Open up the spare tire rack. You can unfold this prep table right here, drop it down, got a little workspace. And this new product we have right here, it's called the Chill Drop. We got this ISCO VL75 fridge, and when you open the door, this thing is in the up position. You've got a key fob right here, and you can start lifting the fridge, right? So that puts it in the stowaway mode. When you're ready to use the fridge, you press the down button, and it lowers it down to a height that you can see inside of. On this model, we got the spirit shelf. Holds bottles of booze. Got a little prep station right here that folds up when you're not using it. On the other side, got our on-demand hot water heater. You got your shower controls here. This door is held up by a lanyard with carabiners, so you can actually drop it down and deploy your shower. Got a molly panel up top for your Rotopack, shovels, anything that you want to bolt to it. We'll bolt in these slots, and then you can use these squares for strapping things down. Up front, you got more storage, got more table space, got an adjustable shelf. All of these boxes have independent lighting inside of them. They come on with a red glow, keep the bugs down. You got Bedlined running boards, big old fender on that. You got BFG all-terrain TAs, 32.5 inch. Looking inside the cab, you got a full queen size mattress, got more aluminum cabinets, you got AC power, you got heat, this one's got air conditioning, all your DC power. And you also have some extra storage up top. This is where I typically put most of my stuff, rain jackets, phones, books. Got a switch panel right here for all your lights, plug in your phones. The max fan up top. The doors have a screen door, as well as an entrance door with a deadbolt. You got your window right here, so you got plenty of options to stay cool, stay warm. Up front, you got your tongue box. This is where central command is at. So you got a towed battery charger. Got your solar panel, inverter charger. This model right here has a 320 amp hour Dakota lithium battery. And with all of that, you still have plenty of storage, both inside the tongue box and up top right here in this cargo rack. This is where I like to put, big bulky items, firewood, things like that. And you got your strap points right here to strap it down. This model right here, we've got a carriage system for a 70-liter cargo box. And what I like about this is it actually recesses down into the roof rack, give you a little better access to your dry storage. Up front, got the handbrake, breakaway switch, you got your heavy-duty tongue jack, and articulating hitch that fits on a 2-inch ball. The trailer itself and the frame's made from aluminum, super lightweight, 2,250 pounds, dry. Give you a look at the suspension system. Got an in-house designed independent suspension with Fox coilovers. The bumper system has integrated corner studies that drop down. And they also fold up inside of the frame, so they're not hanging down. Frame also has a 36-gallon water tank, keep that center of gravity low. You got your reverse lights in the bumper. They come on in reverse on a dim setting, or you got a switch panel right here to get them super bright, flood your campsite. Up top, we've got our solar. So this one has a hard-mounted solar panel, which is nice when the rig's in the sun, but when you get to camp, what I like to do is put it in the shade. And you got your Squatch box right here. That holds 2 more deployable solar panels. Put those guys in the sun, plug it in the trailer, and you're still charging. Then on the bottom shelf, you got an aluminum camp table. Spare tire rack can hold a barbecue grill. Got some Maxtrax right here. Switch panel with more DC charging, light controls, more storage up front. And then up top, we have this new box, the long box, for all of your long items, camp chairs, fishing rods, you got your tent poles, things like that. So thanks for checking us out. I'm Cass with Sasquatch XC. You can check us out online at sasquatchxc.com, where you can also build your trailer.